natin na to, i-observe natin yung galaw ng ating multitester. So ayan, pumalo siya, tapos biglang bumalik. So that means itong capacitor 1 natin is good. So next capacitor naman dito. Ayan. So ito, tinas ko na kanina. Yung common terminal niya is itong silver na ito. So ngayon itetest natin yung ibang terminals niya. So mapapansin natin, itong isang terminal niya is walang reading. So that means yung terminal na yan is open. And next naman, same nito, wala rin siyang reading. So that means yung terminal din na yan is open. And next naman, so dito naman kung mapapansin natin, nagkaroon siya ng reading. So that means yung isang terminal niya is Ayan, so meron siyang reading. So that means yung isang terminal niya is good. Pero overall yung condition nitong capacitor natin na to is kumbaga sira na siya or nasa bad condition na siya. So next naman, itong tatlong terminal na capacitor natin. So makikita natin dito, meron siyang nakasulat fan, meron siyang nakasulat dito na C, and meron siyang HERM. So yung HERM, ito yung ating common terminal. So may nakalagay na siya agad. So itetest muna natin yung fan ng ating third capacitor. Pansinin natin yung galaw ng tester. So yung fan niya is walang reading. So ibig sabihin yung fan niya is open. Tapos yung sa compressor naman niya, yung compressor niya is nag-stay siya sa so nag-stay lang yung reading niya. So that means yung compressor niya is leaky. So overall, yung condition ng ating third capacitor is nasa bad condition na siya. Ayan. So next naman, capacitor 4. So i-discharge muna natin. So yan, meron siyang reading, mababa, pero ulitin natin. Yan, so mababa lang yung reading niya. So bumalik naman agad. So that means itong capacitor 4 natin ay good. And next naman, last itong capacitor natin. So yan. So ulitin natin. So may reading siya. And good ditong dalawang to. So itong third terminal niya naman is walang reading. So yung isang terminal niya is good pa, and then yung isa is open. So that means itong capacitor natin, overall, yung kanyang condition ay bad. So, ayan, yung capacitor 1 natin is good. Yung capacitor 2 natin is bad condition na. Yung capacitor 3 naman natin, yung fan niya ay open and yung compressor niya ay leaky. So that means bad condition na din itong capacitor 3 natin. And then itong capacitor 4 natin, good yung naging reading natin sa kanya. And yung capacitor 5 is isang terminal lang yung good. And then yung isa is open. So that means yung capacitor 5 natin is nasa bad condition na. So, ganun yung pag-check or pag-test ng capacitor.